Hello my billionaire family, happy new month and welcome back. So today tutorial will be on this million pleats with 3-line gele. So this is the normal regular one gele, the 3-line. So I think I've not done something like this for a long time, and this is the class that I hold in my one-on-one class. That is the gele that I teach them in my one-on-one class that I hold last month. So I told one of the students there to help me to record it so that I can share it with you, my billionaire family. So I start by creating like 4 pleats. Now I'm extending it. So I'll be crossing it at the back now. So if you have any question, you can just let me know at the comment section. So the ratio for this gele is 70-30. So I'm crossing it now. I'm telling my model to help me to hold it. So I'm bringing back the 70 part of the gele back to the front now. I'm bringing back the 70 part now. So I'm creating pleats. So I'm trying to adjust it at the front there. Can create like 5 or 4 pleats. The easiest way I'm using to tie this gele, just look at what I'm doing carefully for you to understand what I'm doing. So I create like 3 pleats before I'll go back now to like tie it at the back. So I'll be telling my model to hold that side for me very well. I'm still extending it to the back. So now I'm telling my model to hold it there, yes, to hold it that area. So I'll be opening it like that, like so. So if you want to pack your pleats, just look at the way I'm explaining for them. So I see my stomach. Jesus. Oh, my stomach is showing now. So look at the way I'm backing the hand. So if you want to, that is, if you want the round to form round very well, this is the way you are going to pack the hand of the gele at the back, as if you are still creating pleats. Just look at the way I'm packing it, like so. So that is, if you want it to form that round very well, this is the way you are going to pack it. So I won't be tying it, so just look at the way I'm doing it. I won't be tying it. I will just be like rolling it. Oh my God, twisting it. Or I don't even, just look at what I'm doing, sisters. You will understand very well now. So I'm trying to adjust it there. Tell my model to hold it down for me very well. So now look at it. So the 30 part will be on top. Will be up, while the 70 part will be under. Is the 70 part I'll be using to roll the 30 part. Just look at it, sisters. Just look at that. Just look at how I'm doing it, like so. Then you'll be using your office pin now to secure it. So just let me know if you have any question. So this Gele process is not hard, sisters. It's not hard, my billionaire family. It's very easy to achieve. So I'm just tucking the excess and inside of the remaining. That's inside of that middle there. I'll just use like office pin to like pin it down very well so that it will not remove, like so. So that is it at the back. So now I'm coming back to the front now. So I'm like telling them that they should see the side. So if you are tying it, you have to tell like your model, your client to assist you to hold it. So look at that place now. It didn't even come up. It's very firm. So now what I'll be doing now, I'll create like 2 or 3 pleats there before I'll now start creating pleats with the excess and so look at what I want to do now. So the easiest way that I used to do my own is, look at the way I'm packing it. I don't know I'm going to explain, but it's something that is very easy for you to understand if you look at it very well. So some of my students did not understand. I have to remove it and re-show them what I'm doing properly. So just like so. So you just place it like that on top of the pleat that you created before. Then you just continue extending your pleats. For me, this is the easiest way I can go. That will be more faster for me. That if I'm like tying like, if I'm tying like 5 people Gele and they want something like this is the easiest way I do tie it. That will be very fast for me. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. glambeauty30. So that is how I'm doing it. Like so. I'm just like trying to extending the pleats that I created there. I'm trying to adjust the pleats. So now I'm going back to do the other side now. So I'm doing the other side now. So if you have any question, let me know. So as you can see, for this Gele, I did not use any pin at the front. It's only the back that I know that I use pin for. So this is it. I'm pushing it back a little bit. So this is the finished look. So let me know if you have any questions. Just look at the way it is now. Everybody love the Gele. The way it's very simple and very nice. So this is the finished look. So let me know if you have any questions, sisters. let me know, and please stay safe. Don't go out, so the Lord will see us through with all this. I know by the end of everything we have a focus to glorify God's name by the special grace of God. So I'll talk to you in my next one. All right. I'm trying to explain some things to my beautiful sisters there. So that is it. Bye.